boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have NF here, Happy. So this one is a real storytelling song. Check it out, the music video, it's strong. And this is very easy to play as well. So great, we're going clean here, no need for any capo. And 4 chords that goes over and over again. Very familiar chords, so E minor, C, G, and D. Let's take a look at the chords. E minor first, that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next one is C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord will be D. That is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, so it starts very slow like this, just 1 down per chord. Okay, and it goes in this order through the entire song: E minor, C, G, and D. Alright, so pretty much half of the song goes like this, 1 down per chord. And then when the chorus comes, you have this strumming pattern. And yeah, let's take a look at this one. We'll start with E minor first. And 1 round will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. So like this. Right? So down, down, up, clap, down, up. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord, so a couple of rounds of it to get the feeling for the rhythm here and sound. It goes like this. Alright, so down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap, down, up. That's what you're gonna play per chord. So with this chord progression, it's gonna sound like this. Alright, so that pretty much covers NF's Happy, 1 down or this chord progression, with this chord progression, or 2 strumming rounds per chord. That's it. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.